Question 20. A piece of metal has volume 1240 cubic centimeters, correct to the nearest 20 centimeters cubed. The mass of the piece of metal is 7,800 grams, correct to the nearest 100 grams. Calculate the lower bound of the density of the metal. Density is equal to mass out of volume. The first thing we need to do is to find the error bound. Okay, so here we have error bound for volume. So since it is correct to the nearest 20, then I'll say 20 divided by 2, which is equal to 10. And also the error bound for mass. This one is equal to 100. Then we divide by 2, which is 50. Why are we dividing by 2? Look at this one here. Let me look at the one of volume. So if this is 1240, okay, nearest 20. Now we add on 20. This one is going to be 1260, and then before it has to be 1020. Okay, we are adding on 2020. But now before that, there is a number in the middle here, and there is a number in the middle here. So 60 minus 40, you get 20. Then divide by 2, that is 10. So we shall have 1250. And then here we have 1230. Now, all the numbers that are in here, when we round them off, they can give us the 1240. And also here. But then this number here cannot give us 1240. That's why we want the numbers that are below this one. Okay, so from here and there, they will give us this. So this is the range within which 1240 lies. So we go half this side and we also go half this side. That's why we divide this one by 2. Okay, the same thing with this one here. Okay, the same thing with this one here. Now for this one, we are going to have, this is 7800 nearest 100, so we shall go to 7900, and then this is 7700. So you go halfway. This one will be 750, and then this one will be 7850. So all of these ones, when you round them off, they can give us the 7800, and also the ones here below this. So we are going halfway here. This will be a 50, and then we also go halfway this way, 50. This way we went 10, and also this way we went 10. Okay, that's why we say the error bound, we get these ones and then we divide them by 2. Now we know that density, they have told us that density is equal to mass over volume, and they want us to find the lower bound. So density lower bound is going to be equal to, you want to remain with something small. That means what you are having has to be small here, and then you divide it by something big. So this will be the upper bound. So mass lower bound divided by volume upper bound. You want to get something small. So the small you have, divide it many times. You get it. You remain with something very small. So meaning mass lower bound. So we shall get the mass, which is 7800. Then we shall subtract its lower bound, which is 10. Okay, which I mean the error bound, that is 10. And then No, it's not 10. That is 50. Pardon me there. Okay, the error bound for mass is 50. And then we go to the volume. That is 1240. It has to be the upper bound. So we add then the 10. So meaning we shall have 7750 divided by 1250. So what is the answer here? 7750 divided by 1250. And that is 6.2. 6.2.